Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dubai and its beautiful life. Today we are going to the mall First Avenue, and over there we will be visiting the Ace, that is basically for shopping of the normal indoor things and outdoor things and even normal usage of kitchen appliances and all those things you will get over there. So we are going to the Motor City. Actually this mall is located in the Motor City, Dubai. Now we are inside the First Avenue Mall. Now we are going towards the Ace. So in the front you can see Ace, and nearby you can see the shop. So it's a sort of a open mall. So over here we are entering the Ace. Items like for the garden, kitchen items, and even other things like these are the humidifiers and small big baskets and small baskets for the kitchen usage, or for even keeping another things. Over here you can even see the table mats. Over here the normal cutleries for the kitchen you can see. So many things are over there that you can see. Over here the small dishes that you can even use in your kitchen items. Over here the normal cleaning items, and over here the mugs, the uh, boxes for storing the things. Again over here lot of buckets, storage items you can see. These are the accessories that you will be using in your daily life or in the kitchen. These are the painting items that you can that would be required in case you want painting in your house. Over here the tapes and all the things. These are the shower items and all. And over here you can see some cleaning item hangers are over here, so you can enjoy. Bathroom accessories are over here, soap dispensers and all. Over here you can see the cleaning items that are required in the bathroom or the kitchens or even the washrooms. Over here you can see the different type of brooms or brushes. Over here the storage baskets, small boxes, and even over here you can have a lovely view of the things. Over here you can see dustbins kept over here. Over here if you enter you can see the outdoor things, that the plants, the green grasses,